Now, this is not meant to replace medical advice. I simply use this channel to store memories of things I don't want to forget. So here's a list of things that I do when I see a positive test result. Number 1, isolate the positive person. Let them use their own towel and washroom if possible. Wear a mask around the positive person. And if you happen to be the primary household member who is positive, wear a mask during the necessary steps. Number 2, open a window, if possible, weather permitting. Sanitize the house, washroom, doorknobs, light switches, high surface areas. Number 4, throw on a healing frequency as calming background sounds. You can find great ones on YouTube with uplifting music. Number 5, hydrate. That's water, herbal teas, Gatorade, coconut water. Number 6, take a nap. Number 7, a hot steam bath or shower with a eucalyptus oil. Number 8, keep the nasal passageways clear. Blow your nose often. Use a natural salt water spray if necessary. Number 9, eat high vitamin C fruits and vegetables, including garlic, and protein, of course, too. Number 10, take any vitamin supplements you may have, probiotics, D drops. They say D is important for COVID. Number 11, I'd suggest going outside if it's weather permitting, you have a private outdoor area that you could sit alone under the sunlight, go outside. Number 12, if you have an essential oil diffuser, I typically combine eucalyptus, lavender, and lemon oils. And number 13, replace the toothbrushes. If you found this video because you or someone you're caring for has COVID, I wish you a quick recovery and to come out stronger on the other side. Thanks for watching.